Hello everyone สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Harvard the Magic Tech Guy Living in a smart home during a power cut Close the curtain Wow Amazing and turn off the aircon Wow it's amazing and turn off the television Wow very nice very good Oh one thing please don't forget to subscribe yeah and the last one power cut Oh my God okay don't forget to please don't forget to subscribe thank you everyone bye bye Hello everyone welcome to Magic yeah cut
That camera.
Hello everyone welcome to Harvard the Magic Tech Guy so living in a smart house oh smart home sorry